Hello dear students. Four carbon. So for 4 carbon, you have to write butane, but for 4 carbon, and N because carbon contains single bond. Now for this, you have to add suffix carboxylate. So by this way, you can write the name of this ester group, which is given to the special suffix in case of this type of functional group attached with a ring. Now, third example, C double bond O X. Here X is Cl Br I. Now this is known as acid halide. Here the name of This halide given as special suffix carbonyl, carbonyl for CO and halide, halide for X. Now the example, a ring contains C double bond O Cl. So for this again this is a cyclic compound, so that's why you write cyclo, and 4 carbon is there, that's why you write butane for 4 carbon, and now add carbonyl chloride. So these are the special suffix used in case of the group attached with ring. Now one more example. So this name you have to know for board examinations. Maybe this type of question asked in the board examinations in IPC nomenclature. Now for acid derivative, that is amide, so this is known as acid amide. Now the special suffix for this amide is carboxyamide, carboxyamide. Now again with the example, CONH2. So again cycle is given, so that's why we write the cyclo. 5 carbon is there, 1 2 3 4 5 carbon attached with a single bond, that's why known as cyclopentane. Now we have to add suffix carboxyamide. So this is the name of this amide. Now students, let us focus some more example about the special suffix. For fifth, Cl, cyanide. So this is basically cyanide. Here the name of cyanide is carbonitrile. Now if this Cl attached with benzene ring, write the name of benzene and then add suffix carbonitrile. So the name of this chemical is benzene carbonitrile. This is also known as benzyl cyanide or benzonitrile. This is also known as benzonitrile. But in IPC nomenclature, this name also asked in the board examinations. Now students, next functional group, that is aldehyde. Let us focus on the aldehyde. So 6 aldehyde group, that is CHO. So this is basically aldehyde, and for this aldehyde the special suffix is given carbaldehyde. Now look the example, benzene attached with CHO. So this is known as benzene carbaldehyde, and commonly it is known as benzaldehyde. So commonly it is known as benzaldehyde. So these are the about a special suffix used in case of when these carbon containing functional group attached with the ring. The ring may be aromatic aromatic or aliphatic cyclic ring. Now some more examples you can be noted down. How to write the name of given compound according to using the special suffix. So now this type of question may be given to you. CH2. Now OH attached here. The numbering done from 1 carbon, 2 carbon. Now 2 here alcohol, but basically this behave at here 2 degree prefix. So that's why we have to write the name of this OH is hydroxy. This I told you in the table of functional group with their suffix and prefix. Now you can write 2-hydroxy, the name of benzene, and you have to add the word carbonaldehyde for CH2. So this is carbonaldehyde. So this is basically the name of this chemical using the special suffix for this type of group which are attached with the directly to the benzene ring. Now students, some more examples you can be noted down. Cl given here, or here written COC. So this name is given according to its suffix, that is carbonyl chloride. Now numbering start from here 1, 2, 3, 4. So the name of this chemical is, this is the substituent. You have to write the 4 chloro. Then the name of this compound, that is cyclo, and 6 carbon contain, that's why hex, and their single bond, that's why N. Now add the suffix carbonyl chloride. So like this way you have to write the name of the given organic compound using the special suffix in case of that functional group which contains carbon and which attach to the ring. Ring may be aromatic or aliphatic. Now students, some more thing you have to note down that about the nomenclature of given organic compound. So one more system is there, like group, like treatment. In this condition, if carbon containing functional group attached with a chain or more than 3. In that condition, you have to write the name according to like group, like treatment. So look the example: CH2 single bond CH, single bond CH2. Now this group attached with COH, COH and COH. So here either attached with 3 or more than 3 functional group. So now look at here how to write the name. Now the name numbering start from here 1, 2, 3. So this carbon is 3 carbon which are attached with a single bond. So that's why this is known as propane. And now for this we have to write propane 1, 2, 3. Here you try the try for 3, and CHO treated as carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. So this is the group light treatment. This nomenclature you have to write when the functional group is either 3 or more than 3. Now look one more example to understand the concept. Look at here. CH, 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 CH. Now this CH attached with the CHO, is also attached with the CHO, and is also attached with the CHO. Now balance the hydrogen like this. Now this CH contains CH3. Here also balance this carbon. Now again numbering can be done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 2 methyl is the side chain. You can write 2 methyl. Now 5 carbon. So 5 means pent. They contain single bond, so we can write pentane. Now 1, 3 and 5 CH. You write like this 1, 3, 5. Now 3 times being CHO, you write the 3, and CHO is known as carbon dihyde. You can write like this tricarbon dihyde. So this is the basically